I'll discuss the term availability as it pertains to data storage and cloud solutions. Downtime is costly, and while most companies understand that, it never hurts to back it up with numbers. In a 2014 study, Gartner surveys revealed that the average cost of network downtime was $5,600 per minute or $336,000 per hour. Studies performed by other companies indicated that the cost of downtime can range from $140,000 to $540,000 per hour. Now, whichever number you choose to believe, availability is a huge issue for modern organizations. So let's drill down into exactly what availability is. Basically, it's a measurement of data access capability. It quantifies, gives a number to uptime, the expected amount of time that a system can be expected to remain available, usually as a percentage. Availability is usually described in terms of nines because we want it to be as close to 100% uptime as possible, and anything less than 99% is unacceptable. We talk in terms of high availability, so it's quite common that you'll see a measurement of availability from a public cloud provider around 99.99999%. And in common lingo, you might hear that our availability is 5 nines or 5 places after the decimal. There are 4 basic principles of high availability that you should be aware of. First is the principle of removing single points of failure, or SPOF. A single point of failure is any feature of a system that if it went down, it would bring everything to a grinding halt. In addition to hardware and software, it could be an electrical system without generator backup, a human element whose actions or inactions would cause a failure, and so on. This is of course unacceptable, and so SPOFs need to be identified and eliminated. Then there's redundancy, the idea that services and data live in different locations on backup servers in different geographic locations, for example. So if one goes down, either unintentionally or intentionally, say for routine maintenance, the redundant server spins up so there's no loss of availability. Elasticity is the principle of a system's ability to rapidly change to meet current network demands, to stretch when needed. So if your traffic suddenly increases, maybe because something you posted went viral or whatever the reason, a cloud environment can make more resources available to handle the demand without the old adage of a website crashing. And scalability is similar to elasticity, but more focused on the ability to scale up or down a network or app's capabilities, for example, by deploying virtual servers to meet additional and ongoing needs. There are several things that can affect a network system's availability. Software failure, hardware failure, power failures, human error, natural disasters, and malicious intent can all affect availability. So when you're considering a cloud provider and assessing their ability to maintain your traffic